Welcome to Module 5.5, Explanatory Sequential Design. This is one of the most widely used mixed methods approaches, especially in applied health and social research. In this module, we'll walk through the structure, process, and practical applications of this design. The explanatory sequential design begins with quantitative data collection and analysis, followed by a qualitative phase designed to explain or expand upon those results. This design is structured into two distinct phases, often giving priority to the quantitative method. A key feature is the connection between phases. Results from the quant phase often guide participant selection or shape qualitative questions. This makes the qual phase targeted and responsive, deepening the understanding of initial findings. The process begins with collecting and analyzing quantitative data. Based on those results, researchers identify specific findings that require further explanation, perhaps an unexpected correlation or a subgroup difference. From there, you develop a qualitative data collection plan, interviews, focus groups, or other methods, guided by those results. After collecting and analyzing the qual data, the final step is to integrate both datasets, providing a holistic interpretation of what the numbers say and why participants may have responded the way they did. Explanatory sequential designs are ideal for explaining surprising quantitative findings. They're also useful for exploring mechanisms behind observed relationships, such as why a certain intervention worked better in one group than another. By adding depth and narrative to statistical data, these designs help make findings more actionable in real-world settings. In public health, for example, researchers might follow a survey on vaccine hesitancy with interviews to understand individual motivations. The strengths of this design include clarity, structure, and purpose-driven integration, but challenges can arise around timing, coordinating phases, and ensuring the qualitative follow-up is truly explanatory, not just descriptive.